Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the console with the tilde key. That gives you direct command input. First, save the game in a dedicated quick save slot so you can revert if needed. Then, locate the target's ref ID or item code from the game or a reliable list. This identifies exactly what you'll affect. Once done, type a simple info command to verify the ID works. This prevents accidental changes and helps you understand why a command did or didn't affect the game. Now you execute core commands, click an NPC or object to lock its ref ID to the console, then type the command and press enter. For items use player, add item followed by the item code and amount. This modifies inventory instantly. To change stats use player, set level or modev for attributes and skills. If you alter spells, add spell and remove a spell control abilities. Make incremental changes, then test in-game to ensure effects are correct. Because multiple edits can compound and finish by confirming all changes function in normal play, walk, fight, and interact to reveal side effects. Save the validated state under a new slot so you can return if problems appear. For stuck NPCs or lost items, use Movito commands or console teleportation to recover them. If the game behaves oddly, revert to your pre-console quick save, disable recent mods, and test again. Remember, controlled, incremental edits reduce risk, so when things go wrong, revert, audit recent commands, and try a simpler approach.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.